this problem, we're given the speed of light, and speed is distance per time, and we're given that for every second, light travels 2.998 times 10 to the 8th meters. And we're asked to calculate the speed of light in a vacuum in miles per minute. So basically what we're doing is we're converting our meters to miles and our seconds to minutes. So here's the conversion between meters and miles, and here's the conversion between seconds and minutes. When I set up my given value, which is the speed of light in a vacuum, in meters per second, I make sure that my second is in the denominator. Remember, this horizontal line here is the fraction bar. So if we have a unit that contains two parts that are separated by a fraction bar, we want to use this fraction bar in our math to represent that. So meters are in the numerator and seconds are in the denominator. Now it doesn't matter which value I convert first. Since meter is in the numerator, I chose to convert it first, but I could have just as easily started with my time unit. So if I have meters here, I need meters in my denominator. And this is the only conversion factor I have with meters in it. So 1,609 meters goes in the denominator, and miles goes in the numerator. And this is the unit that I want, miles per minute. So I'm done with my length conversion. Now on to my time conversion. I have seconds in the denominator, and I want to cancel that out. So my seconds needs to be in the numerator. So the conversion factor with seconds in it is 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. My seconds cancel out, and my minutes remain. The seconds do not need to be next to one another to cancel out. The only criteria is the unit of second needs to be in the numerator somewhere and needs to be in the denominator somewhere. They don't have to be right next to one another to cancel out. And so now I have the units of minutes in my denominator, which is exactly what I want. So I multiply straight across, 2.988 times 10 to the 8th times 1 times 60, and then I divide by my denominator, which is 1,609, since 1,609 times 1 is 1,609. And this is the value that I get. I took it to 3 sig figs, but looking at the given value, I probably should have taken it to 4 sig figs. And I can't change this right now because this is a copy, but if I were entering my answer in, I would keep 4 sig figs.